Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, please feel free to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. Please, you can also drop your comments. Let me know what you think about my tutorials, especially this tutorial that we are making today. Let me know what you think about it, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload beautiful tutorials like this. So today we are making gather dress. It's going to have a stylish sleeve on it, and we are using 3 yards of this stylish net materials and 3 yards of also Duchess material to lining it, guys. So please, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep watching this tutorial to the end. So this is the net material that we are using, and this is the Duchess material. It's 3 yards each of this material. That's what we are using, and this is the zip that we are going to use on the fabric. So keep on watching this tutorial so that you can see the outcome of this style. So guys, let's get started now. So this is our lace material, that is the net material that we are using. Alright, so I'm taking my half length of my top. So I'm making the upper part first. It's 17-inch. Okay, 17-inch is the half length. I'm making the upper part first. So now I'll go for my neckline. My neckline is 3.5 inch. Okay, so it's 3.5 inch is for my neck line. So the depth of my neckline is 2.5 inch. Alright, so it's 2.5 inch. Then I'll give a cuff for the neck. Alright, it's a small round neck. Okay, so now is my shoulder. I'm going by 14 inch. Okay, 14 inch is my shoulder. Then I'll give a straight line. Then alright, I will draw a straight line. So guys, I folded the width by 10 inch. Alright, okay, so now I will slope my shoulder. I will do that by 1 inch. Alright, I'm sloping it by 1 inch. Then I will just connect the line. So now I'll go for my bust measurement, and my bust is 33 inch. That's my bust measurement, 33 inch. Then I will also add my sewing allowance, so I'm using 2 inch for that. Alright, okay, so now I'll just connect the lines. Alright, then I will curve my armhole now. Okay, so my waist measurement is by 26 inch. Alright, that's my waist measurement. Then remember to add 1 inch for the dart. Okay, so I'll also add my sewing allowance, which is 2 inch. Alright, so that's the sewing allowance is 2 inch that I'm adding for it. So you just connect all the marks together. Okay, so I'll use my curve ruler to connect all the marks together. Then after connecting it, just for us to cut it out. So guys, we are making the upper side of our dress first. So this is the half length of it. That's what we are making first. So now after cutting it, guys, we now use those front parts. We are going to use it to place at the back side and use it to cut the back. Okay, alright, so please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. It's a stylish style, very beautiful, and it's going to have a stylish sleeve that is trending now, and I want you to learn how to cut it. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video now to subscribe. Please do that now. You can also give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and watch and learn from it. You can like, please comment, let me know what you think about this particular tutorial that we are making today. Alright, so now is our back side of our dress that we are making. Alright, we are going to use the front to cut it out. So all you need to do is for you to add your zipper allowance. I'm using 1 inch to do that. Alright, so once you add your zipper allowance, we have already did the measurement already. We have made the measurements from the first part that we made, which is the upper side of it, that the front side of it. So we just use it to cut it out. Alright, so we are cutting the back side. Remember, we added 1 inch for our zipper allowance. Alright, so guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the beautiful style that we are making. So I'm going to use 1 inch to curve the downside of it. I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm using 1 inch to cut it, to curve it. Alright, so we are using this beautiful net material to achieve this. There is a big net material. You can also get it from where they are selling tailoring materials, and we are going to use Duchess material to lining it, and it's also 3 yards of Duchess material that we are going to use. We are using 3 yards of this net material also to achieve this style that we are making today. It's a lovely style, very beautiful style, and it's stylish also. So I want you to sit back and keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making now, guys. So guys, this is the Duchess material that we are using to lining our net. So what I'll do, I folded it into 4 pieces. That is, I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece together. Then I'll add my zipper allowance. So you can see the way I'm placing the net material, that is the main fabric, on the lining. You can see the way I place it. The length of my lining is 10 inch. So I remove 7 inch from it, from my shoulder, to get the length of my lining. You can see the place that I placed it. So I did not place it at the exact main fabric, that is the net material. I brought it down small. So I used 7 inch for that. So that's how to do it, because the front place, the net will be showing at the front. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you, because you are going to see the outcome of the dress. The lining, which is the Duchess material, to be down a bit. So I'm using 7 inch to do that. So I want you to understand it. Alright. So now I've cut it out. I've cut the front and the back piece now. Okay. So this is the net that we are using to complete the length of our dress. Alright, so it's 3 yards and the length is 23 inch. Okay, alright, so I'm going to take it out, and I'll run a stitch, 2 stitch on it, then we'll drag the thread, then we'll gather it. Okay, so this is the Duchess material that we are also going to use, the same length, 23 inch. Okay, then the length is 23 inch and is 3.5 yards that we are using. So I'll also take it to the machine, I'll run a stitch on it, then I'll drag the thread and gather it out. Okay, alright, so this is how to go about it. So now I've run a stitch on it, so I want to show you guys how to drag the thread to gather it out. So the same way is how we are going to also do the Duchess material. So this is how to go about it. So after dragging it out, the next step is for us to attach it to our main dress. It's a very simple style to make. Okay, so you can see the outcome now. We have run a stitch on the dress and we have attached it to the main dress. You can see how beautiful it is now. guys. So the next step is for us to cut our sleeve. Okay, so I'm folding it into two pieces. I'm cutting the two sleeve together. So the length of my sleeve is by 23 inch. Okay, so I'll just mark 23 inch, and the width is 6 inch. So my arm hole is by 1.5 inch. Okay, I'll just curve it. All right, so please, I want you to really watch the way I'm going to cut this sleeve because it's a stylish sleeve. So you can see how I'm placing my tape rule to flare it out. Okay, so I'm using 18 inch for the length on that point, which is 18 inch, guys. So I'm going to mark 4 inch for it so that it will flare out. Okay, all right, so I'm going to also use 6 inch, guys, to connect all the marks together. I'm going to use 6 inch to do that. All right, so you can see how the sleeve is very beautiful sleeve. Please, I want you to understand how to make this sleeve. So I'll just connect the marks together. So after connecting them together, then we'll take it to the machine and run a stitch on it. Alright, so once we run a stitch on it, then I will now attach it to the main dress that we are making. Guys, you can see it's going to flare out at the bottom, small flare at the bottom. Okay, so you can see the way I'm showing you guys. So that's the point where we are going to flare it out. All right, so guys, I'll just cut it out now. So after cutting it, then we are going to run a stitch on it. So I'll iron it, then I will now attach it to the main dress. Then our dress will be ready. It's a beautiful style. It's a simple style for you to make after watching this tutorial. Please try to practice it after watching it. Just follow the procedure that we use in making this outfit. You are going to get it and you are going to make your own after watching this tutorial. Don't forget, we are using 3 yards of this net material, and we are going to also we are using 3 yards of duchess material also to lining it, guys. So please, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. So guys, this is the outcome of our dress that we are making, our gathered dress with a stylish sleeve. You can see how beautiful it is. So guys, keep on watching my tutorial so that you'll be able to learn how to cut the other styles that we have on my channel, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified. You'll be the first to see my tutorial whenever I upload new tutorials like this. And please give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. And like, please let me know what you think about my tutorial today. Please keep the comments coming, guys. I'm going to reply your questions, and whenever you need my assistance on anything, please let me know. I'm here for you guys. Guys, please, like I said, for you to support my channels, for you to watch my tutorials down to the end. This particular one, please watch it down to the end, guys. I love you guys for always sticking to my channel. Please, you can check my other tutorial now. Thank you for watching. Please do that now.